So you guys might be wondering what I'm doing with these. So I've cut them all about the same size. A little imperfection here and there, but one of them's a little taller than the others. But regardless, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be making some notches. And we're going to be sticking it all together, kind of like a mini little ladder. But it's going to be used to go on the back of my knapsack so that I have more carry space, right? You guys will see what I mean when I'm done here. Let's get back and go grab two. We're going to need 2 straight sticks for the actual beams. So we'll go ahead and we'll grab that. There's one piece right there. Oh, took a little bit of a spill there. Basically going to be making a bunch of these guys right here so that the wood can fit in there. I'm going to go ahead and make a few more and then I'll be back. So if you guys take a look here, I've actually got a lot more efficient at this. I'm going to take it right here, move it off of those sticks, and we're going to simply real quick that way, and we'll do another one real quick this way. And look at that. Super efficient little notch made in like no time at all. You see here now we got like one right here. It's not too good, so we're gonna fine tune it. Just kind of chip little pieces out as we go, right? There we go. And that's fine tuned now. So we got a bunch of notches in this stick. We're gonna go for the other one, and then we're gonna start assembling it. I'll be back. If you see right here, we're just going to be kind of like lining it up with the notches that are already in this other stick so that we know where to cut. Because if I don't do that, it's not going to line up properly. So that's why we're making these little spots here to show you. Yeah, I'm just finishing these last notches in here. Just fine tuning them as well in this other stick. Trying to